Now that you're on board, you probably have questions. I'll try to answer as many of them as I can, but if you still have questions, click the Contact Us button on the Citizen Photojournalist website and ask your question. I'll do my best to answer it within 24 hours. So how does this project work? You've already started the project by visiting the Citizen Photojournalist website. The first step, if you haven't already done so, is to take the anonymous survey by clicking on the Take the Survey button on the website. That's pretty easy. You also have to watch these 3 thankfully brief training videos. You're watching the second one now. Once you've seen the 3 videos, simply go to iTunes and download the Citizen Photojournalist smartphone app onto your phone. There's no cost, but data rates may apply if you're not using free Wi-Fi. Next, go out and shoot photos, write a brief caption, and send them straight to our participating newspapers' photo desks. Every photo that you shoot will be sent to a specific email address that both the Dallas Morning News and the Fort Worth Star-Telegram have access to. You won't be paid for participating, but if your pictures are strong enough, they're likely to be published. Citizen Photojournalist does not choose what will be published. That choice will be left up to the contributing newspapers' photo editors. For this project, all images you submit are for research purposes, and you'll be asked to submit them without expectations of being compensated. So how do you find breaking news photos to take pictures of? Well, there's several ways. You might simply drive past something like a car accident or a building on fire. So now you've seen something, what do? Find a safe place to park that's upwind of the fire. Get as close as you safely can to shoot your pictures, but you must obey the police officers and the firefighters on the scene. They are concerned about the event themselves and keeping everyone safe, including you. If you're pursuing storm photos or the aftermath of a tornado, please wait until you're sure that the storms have passed and the danger is over. You must remember that people who have experienced events like this have probably experienced the worst moment of their lives. Please treat everyone involved in a breaking news situation with empathy and compassion. They deserve that. You never know when you might see something worth photographing. Just remember to be safe, take photos, and send them in. The DFW Scanner website is a great resource for finding news to photograph. They're a team of people who monitor North Texas Police and Fire Department radio calls and then post that information on their website. You can go to their website at dfwscanner.net to see their breaking news postings right after they happen. You can also go to their Facebook page at DFW Scanner and put in a friend request. This way you can check them on your phone and find breaking news happening right now. Another option is to subscribe to their Twitter account at DFW Scanner to get a Twitter feed of breaking news events. One of the best ways to stay informed about breaking news in North Texas is to download the DFW Scanner's smartphone app. It only costs 99 cents to download, but it's definitely worth it to easily and quickly find the latest breaking news events in your area. You can choose specific cities where you will be to get that information about news events happening where you will be. A second smartphone app that you might consider is 5-0 Radio. It takes a little while to set up, but it's worthwhile. And there are many other apps like these that you might look into. For ease of use though, I recommend DFW Scanner's app. You can choose the cities that you want to monitor to get a real-time feed of breaking news events that you can use to decide what you want to photograph. It'll also tell you what time the event happened, so you won't waste your time going to an event that happened, say, 10 hours ago. Please don't use these apps while you're driving. Have someone else in your car monitor them and navigate for you. If you're alone, please pull off into a parking lot before checking any of these apps or websites. Please click on the Twitter icon on the Citizen Photojournalist website and follow us. I'll repost certain breaking news events that will likely produce strong images. I'd also like you to click on the Facebook icon on the CPJ website to access our page. There you can see images that other citizen photojournalists have shot. You can also read useful suggestions about photojournalism and photography. After the research project begins, we will send out a weekly email blast to everyone involved to show some of the images that are submitted that week and to give advice and tips about photojournalism. Please be sure to check your spam filter to make sure that these emails are actually getting to you. These email blasts will also feature the best image of the week. You will be able to see what other project participants are doing, and this will remind you as well to shoot photos. I think this will be a fun and rewarding project for you.